Welcome to MacTech TV. We're presenting to you the collection of Giovanni Couture. This is part of the Crystal collection. This is the 7757 and that is the new color. It's called Rose Gold. It's absolutely beautiful. As you can see, our model looks amazing on that dress. So, as you know, the 7757 is one of the bestsellers of Giovanni Couture. It was one of the first dress that was actually part of the Crystal collection, and actually this dress was a celebrity dress as well, and still is. It's one of the best dresses of Giovanni. So the 7757 new color is going to be this beautiful rose gold color. As you can see, again, the fabric is going to be a nude mesh. It's going to cover your whole body. The crystals and the sequins are going to be exactly fuller, exactly where you need them to be. So that means bust, and it's going to be the lower area as well. Everything is going to be covered. It's a play of skin and of stone. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's turn around and look at the back of the dress. So the back of this beautiful dress is going to be absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, you have an invisible zipper onto the middle section, and of course there's a fuller stonework and beautiful beading, rose gold and silver onto the dress. So if you would like to know more tips about this dress, who wore this dress, or how to wear this dress, where to wear this dress, how to accessorize it, every single questions you have about this dress, you can contact us or go on www.mactechmart.com for more tips. Thank you.
بازم ببینم عشق تو چشماش